Congratulations! You've been on Ramp for almost 4 years, which means your cards are going to expire and be automatically reissued. So, what does this mean? For virtual cards, you don't need to lift a finger. You can keep using your cards as normal and will update the expiration date and the cards in your mobile wallet. Ramp will also work with our network partners to auto update most of your cards on file with online merchants. You'll receive an email giving you a heads up that your cards are going to be expiring. So, about your physical card, we'll actually have to mail you a shiny new one. We'll just need you to confirm your mailing address to ensure we send it to the right place. This can take up to 7 days to arrive, but we'll make sure that it's sent in time for the expiration. When this card arrives, you'll need to log into Ramp and activate it. You can simply click Activate and follow the instructions, and you'll be all set. If you have any more questions, you can find more information on our Help Center or reach out to our support team at support@ramp.com.